year, over 30,000 and more sharpest minds in the country sit for an exam, IPMAT. They are school toppers, math wizards, high achievers. Yet, बहुत ही कम students make it to their dream IIMs. The harsh truth: most students don't fail IPMAT because they lack intelligence. They fail because they walk into the battlefield using the wrong map. The first major trap is treating IPMAT like a regular class 12 board exam. School exams reward you for memorizing formulas and writing out long, predictable, step-by-step answers. IPMAT is the exact opposite. It is an aptitude test जो reward करता है pattern recognition को, speed को, and most of the time कितना जानते हैं आप एक question को and the aptitude, the accuracy you have to reject it and to attempt it. और अगर आप इसको एज अ स्कूल टेस्ट ट्रीट करोगे, यू विल रन आउट ऑफ टाइम बिफोर यू इवन फिनिश हाफ द पेपर. यू मस्ट मास्टर द आर्ट ऑफ skipping. The second trap: building your preparation on shaky ground in a rush to solve advanced mock tests. Students completely bypass the fundamentals. They chase shortcuts, tricks and speed hacks which they find here or there. लेकिन IIM इंदौर या कोई भी major exam doesn't test your memory. They test your core mathematical elasticity. तो अगर quant की बात करें, if you grasp on basic arithmetic or algebra is weak, a slight twist in the question's phrasing will completely paralyze you. Shortcuts only work when your foundation is concrete. This is where the majority of hardworking students lose their game. They solve thousands of questions, take mock after mock, check their final score and move straight to the next test. They think they are practicing, but they are actually just practicing their mistakes. An error log comes into action here. It forces you to look at a wrong answer and document exactly why you got it wrong. Was it a conceptual gap, एक calculation error था, or did you panic because of the timer? If you aren't tracking your errors, you are guaranteed to repeat them on the exam day. The fourth trap: hiding from your weaknesses. Human nature ऐसा है that it makes us towards focusing that we are already good at it. Quantitative geniuses spend all day solving math puzzles while ignoring RC. Verbal lovers avoid higher maths. This is the truth, right? लेकिन practicing what you already know feels good, but it won't clear the cutoff. IPMAT has strict sectional cutoffs. Your spectacular score in one section cannot save you if you fail the other. You have to attack your weakest area first. The fifth and the final trap is treating the personal interview round as an afterthought. Many students assume कि interview है, casual chat होगा, after that you clear your main exam. It isn't. The PI carries massive weight in the final merit list selection. Brilliant scorers get rejected every single year because they cannot articulate their thoughts. Question का आंसर पता है but बोलना ही नहीं आ रहा है under pressure because they lack basic general awareness and communication skills, or they fail to answer one simple question: why do you deserve a seat at an IIM? Your preparation ends at the interview gate, not your exam test. So understand, IPMAT, it is not an unbeatable exam. It is a system, and to beat a system, you need a strategy, not just hard work. Stop memorizing, start analyzing. Face your weak sections today, log your mistakes, and build your confidence for the interview from day one. Now, change your approach, flip the odds, and remember, master the strategy that works the best for you. If you like this video, do like and subscribe.